So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description. It will take you to the Epic Games support page. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down and then click on recover your account. I know this is not connected to your account, but trust me, just click on recover your account. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down to the very bottom to where it says contact us. Now you want to sign into your Epic Games account. You want to sign in right here, which will now take us to here. Now once we're here, we're just going to scroll down. You can choose any platform you want, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to go with PC. Product, accounts, contact reason. You want to select linked or console account. And you can now describe the issue that you're having right here. You can type something like, hello, I can't connect to my account from this platform. You can mention the platform as well, whether that be like PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch. And you can give details of your account name. Things like that. So just explain the whole problem, and then you want to click on continue. And then after you click on continue, it's going to submit the report, and you should be contacted in a few days to your contact email, which should be right here. And they should now be able to fix your problem for you.